is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about nigga Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when...
Good morning, Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? You hit that like, you hit that subscribe. How's everybody doing? Please hit that like. Viral's reading my mind, right? Very important. It seems like a lot of people are watching and forgetting. I believe that you are forgetting. You would love to hit the like. Lots to talk about today. I want to talk about why I believe that the next bull run, when we will see Bitcoin do exactly what it did in January of 2021. So if you're new to the space, or if you've just been in the space and you're enjoying the show, enjoy. Please hit the like and subscribe, though. The first thing you may do, I would greatly appreciate it. This would be so important to me. So if you would mind, if you're watching and you're not hitting the like button and you're not doing other things, come over, hit the bell notification, become a subscriber. Let's get to the 1.5K subscribers. Let's go. To the gentleman who has not financial advice, but the gentleman who does show you some things here that's very important. We're going to talk about the BlackRock. We're going to talk about why it's important. And all of a sudden, Larry Fink is the CEO of BlackRock, is bragging about crypto and his plans. I've not seen this video until I saw it. Of course, big news about that. The Bitcoin halving, the clock, 260 days and 21 hours. I do believe, and I'm going to break it now, April 2024 is going to be the next time that we see this huge bull run, the same way we did in January of 2021. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you may watch this and be excited. So Bitcoin, fear and index greed right now. We are currently in the 50s, so we're in the neutral, dead, even. And you know what's funny about that? I was doing some research, is what I do for you. And I was looking at the Bitcoin long positions. And as you can see, 34%, 31 here. 31 is bearish or very bearish. And bullish, well, we got about 34%. So it's about split down the middle, really, from the either long or short positions in this trading atmosphere. So we're checking that out. But then the crypto market cap, 1.19 trillion. We are, I believe, moving in the upward direction correctly. What I'm finding now is a big spike to the upside. I think we're actually going to rally. Lots to talk about. There's so much I can't jam it all in, but here we go. I'm going to try and do the best I can. If you pay attention, and I was looking at this chart for Ethereum, I think we're going to explode. This is insane. If you look at my band, my exponential moving average, the ribbon, well, we are getting super tight. Last time that we got super tight, you can see coming in, getting tight was around here. We came to the downside, spiked. Then you can see another one here. And as you can see, we're getting to the upward momentum. So I'm curious to where we're going. We could get a quick fall, but I think we're going to spike back to the upside. It's the ultimate move here coming in. So watch how this is turning out to be. So I think we're going to get a spike. What we need to find out between here and Bitcoin is, first off, Bitcoin needs to break above 29,840. As soon as we start finishing a daily, which is what we're watching, each candle represents a day for Bitcoin, we will be spiking above. And as you can tell here, the movie test 31.4. So let's see what happens there with Bitcoin. Right now, I'm looking at a few double bottoms here, a little bullish divergence. We'll see what happens. Come in here, see if we get a nice spike off the middle, and then take us back off. Last time we kind of did that was here. You can see coming in. That was on a Friday, June 16th of this year. So we'll see what happens. We got to get that spike to the downside in order to get a spike back to the up, right? It's always some type of manipulation. So Ethereum turns 8 today. Here's a look at the spectacular journey. We're not really going to go through all that, but Ethereum is 8 years old today, 2015, July 30th, which is what today's video is. So pretty exciting to hear about that and all the bullish news. Now let's listen to BlackRock CEO.
We're going to bring down fees even more dramatically. As for me, I don't have to vote on any shares anymore because the beneficial owner will do all the voting.
BlackRock's assets seen topping 15 trillion in 5 years' time. Now put that into consideration, and now watch this next video.
This is one of the reasons why I'm focusing on the whole idea of blockchain for securities. I look forward to the day when we could tokenize stocks and bonds that every stock and every bond, we could identify immediately who is the beneficial owner. And this is why we're working on it. And every beneficial owner, from an individual to an institution, have the ability to vote, to democratize every single vote. And that's where we want to take this, and we're leading that effort.
I believe the next generation for markets,
I've never seen this video.
Generation for security.
I've never seen the video, but I was glad to watch it because it was amazing. So thank you to Altcoin Daily. That's amazing. ChatGPT creator launches controversial eyeball scanning world coin project. Where have you heard this before? Oh, that's right. We've heard this a week ago when Wall Street Pete did a video talking about it before anyone else did, I felt like. So this is what we do. I'm not, trying to pat myself on the back like a nut job. I'm just letting you know, hit the like and subscribe. This is what we do. Sometimes we can get to the news ahead of time, and sometimes we're behind. It all depends, right? All crypto channels do this. But I hope you enjoyed this crypto channel, bringing you up to date. So why Bitcoin? I believe we just kind of went over what I think could happen and how we're going to get there. But if you pay attention to this ribbon, we're really getting tight. I know that an Ethereum move is coming. Now, if we are breaking down to the bottom here, I do not see us getting any lower than the 1831. So that's pretty interesting. So I know I see support at 1790, but 1830 area is where I see the support building up. We should be okay, bounce off this, and then we could get this run back to the upside here. So what we're looking for, what we need to do is possibly break the 1932 here, and then I do believe we will be off to the races and possibly going to be at 2400 Ethereum. So this is what I'm looking to do. We will get a fall, as you can see here, coming in, most likely some resistance. I do expect that. But be careful. I do believe that a big spike will come, obviously, if they call that very volatile wave. So as you can see here in this range we've been trading, that's what I see happening. Head and shoulders inverted. We're looking for the right shoulder to break out, which is most likely here to the 2033. So that's what we're looking for. Ultimate 2033 breakout to make us believe that, hey, we're going to fill the gap and at least retest 2137. If we break that, then we are off to the races on the big risks on this ascending channel here that we've been forming since 2023. So it's pretty cool. I like this pattern. I like what I see. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We are on the bottom of this ascending channel. If you want to keep that in mind, a big spike can come and fill this gap at any time. So these are the levels I'm watching. This is about what I expect. We have to break the top here. Obviously, show me a new high here to the new buy. And that's what I'm expected for Ethereum. Bitcoin, as you can see. So if we jump to real quick, I want to go to Cardano because I've been telling people, look at the double bottom pattern I found. I talked about 2 weeks ago. I said, guys, be excited, right? When was this? This was even June last month, a month ago or two. I said, be careful. Double bottom. This is usually a bullish divergence. We got the big spike. People sold up here. Now we're looking to retest to the 35. What may happen here is we're going to have to find ourselves back to the 30 cents. Will we spike back down before we get that big back move to the upside? So that's what we're looking for in this range here. So be careful. People are going to dollar cost average out for Cardano in this range. What are we looking at? We're looking at this all the way to here. So that's about what I'll keep an eye out for. Oops, I did not want to do that. Hopefully I can redo. Yeah, there we go. So that's what we're looking for in this range. I'm looking for Cardano to really just trade somewhere in this range until it breaks out and shows that that right shoulder's gone. And that's when you could tell. We'll go to the weekly really quick on Cardano. I just wanted to go over a couple things. S&P is next if you're interested. The top here, we got to break above the 45 cents. So I don't know why I don't have that here, but I guess we weren't going over the weekly chart. But if you can see here, if we could start breaking above and finishing a candle above the 43 cents, 45, excuse me, that would send Cardano into a parabolic move where we could gap off and start really seeing here. This is the price, 278 cents. I'm excited. 1 year ago, Cardano was trading 52, 58 cents by economy as well. So just trying to keep you into the know. Look what's happening. Boring sideways action. Doing that again. Only a matter of time until we get that parabolic move. When was it? Well, it was January 2021, like I was just telling you. If I got to move out of the way, let's do that. January 2021, if you pay attention. Right here on the bottom, if you see here, Monday, January 25th, 2021, we got this big spike. Well, April of 2024, Wall Street Pete is telling you that's going to be the next spike. I don't know if you really understand where I'm going with this, but I'm going to keep this here so many people can understand. This is where I think the next bull run occurs. Next bull run occurs right here. And if I predict this, it won't matter because no one will pay attention. And it's no April Fools. So we're just going to go April 2024. And that is the next bull run. So if you're wondering where I'm getting this stuff from, it's on a 4-year cycle. Obviously, after some time, usually it happens here. And this is what I think we're going to see. We're going to get that big spike to the upside. So I hope you're excited. If you've yet to hit the like and subscribe, please do so. What else did we want to talk about before we got off the channel today? Cardano. What else did we have? I feel like we're losing a little bit of track. I do appreciate everybody in the chat here. We had Maurice here. We had Rising Sun. We had Mr. Selner. We had the viral video in the house. So I do appreciate everyone in the house with this. It's a beautiful thing. Looking at Ethereum, 1,800 currently right now. Bitcoin trading and hovering right just below the 29.4. I'm not sure. We're going to have to see what happens. Many people do remember we've had a couple crashes. So be careful in this market. Bitcoin can always find its support level, lose it, and crash. And that's what you have to always pay attention to. Like I tell people over and over, if you watch this ascending channel, just real quick to show you again, once you start losing to 27,500, and I don't know if I should make that pink because it's so important or just kick it out, but it is so important, ladies and gentlemen, what's going on. The fundamentals with Barbie, the macro, Barbie's symbol is B, and they're talking about Bitcoin over it. And apparently Kenergy, Ken is excited. He loves Bitcoin, and it's so funny, the guy who plays Ken. So it's really starting to get big right now. So if you watch me and follow me on here, I talk about it. It's kind of funny. I actually just did something on it. But this is where we're going, you know. Crypto is everything, and all you can do is count on yourself, right? Really, it's all you can do is count on yourself. No one else is going to help you out. So we've been talking about my life. We're talking about a lot of things here. Just a regular man trying to make, to be a crypto millionaire, just like you, right? And yeah, we do have some background. We used to work on Wall Street. We used to work on the NYMEX floor trading, and it was one of the greatest places. But please be careful here. This 27.5 for Bitcoin, once that starts breaking, that's when havoc will occur. So I want people to understand that that is the next crash. So we got to be careful, all right? So I tell you about all the good things going up. I also want to tell most people about the bad things. And you got to be prepared whether it's going up or down. We just check the technical side of things, right? I can't really tell you. If everyone puts money in today and BlackRock approves, I can't control that TA. All the TA I said that could happen down is going to go up. We know that. So have a wonderful day. It is Monday. I know Monday is probably one of the hardest days to get in, but this is that young buck that used to work on Wall Street here. Peter. Oh, Peter. So, Peter, follow, hit the like, and subscribe. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. We keep you up to date. And happy birthday to Ethereum, right? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ethereum. Happy birthday to you. I don't know. In the morning, the voice is tough, but happy birthday, Ethereum, my ex-girlfriend. And if you're wondering who I'm dating today, it is Cardano. ADA, she is my new girlfriend of 2023. Me and Ethereum broke up, but happy birthday, Ethereum. I still have love for you, even though I think everything Cardano does, well, that's what Ethereum is here. They're both side by side doing the same stuff. It's just the fees are too damn much. You cost too much to go out, Ethereum. Cardano, you are a cheap date, and you're just as loving. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Hit that like and subscribe if you have not already. Hit the bell, all notification. If you want to be alerted every time we come live, this goofy bastard, this wonderful man on Wall Street. None of this is financial advice. So if you're wondering where this stuff comes from, this is my movement, my trades only. Have a wonderful day.